Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh and a troll letter.
Part of Debbie.
One troll letter be as well resign.
Debbie. Only be as a.
Hey. Then they letter you free.
I mentioned be said, she said, only Pacrano about me.
What is the real issue? I mean, would he be going to the Zimal?
There's no issue. And there's absolutely no issue. And we know, I never acquire, is encouragement we should guard against is elevating Sanya men to national discourse. Is that the entire message and is a Nipano of a broly team, not the way out to, or the two Munano, then we give it attention. Immediately we give it attention. Nipan to them was, Menyaw, is a crano, go for discuss it, a big issue. The person feels motivated, say, that for what not say, a canna, no, I answer the for a babetum because you will get attention.
But currently, as I said, it's becoming something is one too many. Oh, why not? Maybe say P concerning the former president. Now, my better say fake. Maybe say P concerning the vice president. No, yeah, better say fake. I mean, and it's just happening around the time. Yeah,
because it's in a political season. Mischief in politics is something that happens. Into the fact that the mischief makers will say, omunya attention and you be crab say today crowd year and then I can what's on so it gives the person some currency or better and so a bit of inquiry. Is that Dr. Prempeh statement or
yes the apology statement you mean
yes on official page, verified page on social media I will say that but we know it means that it did not come from him. The message is immediately Bibi Sababa Bonteno, your choir first will be to me a check, and of course, Ubetin after maybe some after who be see impact or the Bientesa. Then we ignore it. And yes, Anna say immediately we start giving them attention. A bit motivate you because cannot traditional media answer now would be better or cross
you do check verification
or to need them no the WhatsApp group page back no the Ujatu when but the next 30 seconds no do baby and it is creating tension
and as I said yesterday it was on social media bloggers near there somewhere wondering. I mean, specifically, I saw Linda says own, saying, wondering, say, this thing, why, how, and all that. But let me ask this. And I mean, who say, DC say, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh will be going to the Nzima land, and he would render his apology because Nzima for him, Funibi, say, although he's written a letter, he should come to Omukuro Noso and Mepacho. Would that be happening?
Well, the mechanic say. Dr. Prempeh Apacho, there was some more kind of and not some more kind of there was a public statement one kind of Bunting, and the statement that we issue was a public statement or the Bunting, but as a for Asama Mekai and Kui Mr. Monfa and Cheme na Enyabia. My imagine say Asama Mekai no making time Mr. Monfancheme. The best friend say Yina and Yema Itun Kotre actually. Is that the more we drag it, the more we make it an issue and then no sooner MY. It's say Asama Dr. Prempeh kind me what can be also say about Nzimafo Infudin. He didn't even mention Nzimafo. One can Western region form and one can Pekubiao. The minister Liverpool say you extend the conversation now you critique president be and president are you critiquing say why him here a China Ubinya ko president ko for center the best friend is any bra mention be you one because president ko for something so Ubinya ko former president Rollins once a man, he will also be summoned, bra, Nkrumah see bra be one because of a Voltarian. The best said 24 as some more kind, and yadia all true more diary, dear, or see your kind, and could you. Ye best say, Infa as a mental, Imanin Concorda. Now for you move on. Of course, Dr. Prempeh will engage Ubia was a on any casa, Ghana Hasibia. Name say a shemudia or no penny for the Bakusian. Na and Conco, yes, as them that Dana, Uswa, ye trimming Kunku, trimming Freddy say, their diary, and then we are kind of see it, and I can say it does not help because immediately former President Nkrumah, the second not on ye, maybe Nkrumah was in my 4 pay, and Ujina name, not or the President of the Republic of Ghana. In the Kanasema, he as President of the Republic of Ghana. And Dr. Prempeh did not say Kwame Nkrumah no yenzi many so. Okay, Kwame Nkrumah as President of Ghana and his governance style or what he achieved as President. And we should situate the conversation. It was that kind so. The best say onu fatasa onu din komo and onu be din kita ho. Minimum ema ye man on ye public discourse waka we have be oyenzi many ti omra be na no we krum ni aye ni be do be no we say nana ya kan wan say no you school or your classmate in we classmate of nana ya we are demanding this so you come and pacify us the best say the papa no mo fanche na let's move on to the wasre no
nanra Jadifo bi wa Ashanti region fast specifically KDT right Debbie womu ye press conference minim se what be om de betu dwa se but Opoku Prempeh omo fan animate ne de Ashanti region fa hwema na ono on sheda mo a Jadifo e wo ne mpesua so as in market ni ade na dwuma o ye wo ho ni ade manhia ho dwa e wo ho no hwe mo nya ni ade nti wo de wo nyini se bebu bi asa e de bibia beba minim se what bia
na ya so Boni Becca has been around for long and I'm a boy.
Yes.
You see grown up say and I yes
pa
and you grown be I don't know.
Martin come ask me to casa. Martin say papa. Now ordinary say just after the outdooring no he hit the grounds running okwa him for ho HHI oguso ne to him fa e no ordinary a say
yo bra ya do no brada ni wie ni kukrada anapa MC ko Western region ya na nanoma himfo and 9 Western region Kofi Western region and oba and kai he's been to Central region ko Apostle Kudusafo na sorry no mo yo national conference okonu nkudin kita ho and answer oko Eastern region kushia corner of Manya Krobo Nenesakiti and Afushia party for so Kusako Yilo Krobo Enrad Okukushia and Mashibija for a majority caucus of Parliament of Ghana and Mukudin Kitahon and Rio Kotwana Juma Oko Mashibija because he's still a member of Parliament.
Yes.
Menshia South constituency. You know, so Okoye Juma as a member of Parliament. Na Osansuko Ministry of Energy. Okoye Juma Oko. Inti no any de YCC ya sa engagement ebe koswa kopem August the nature say and no what he seen from constituency to constituency he's moving but sabri ya akone de ye won penifo bi no ma e wo so ko mo na so eni won kudi kita ho ye wo ku bi ma wo se ushia ho eni won kita ho and that is exactly what is happening CC.
Right, yenfa community ha yenya omu na ye besa ba ne abedi nkomo as campaign no eguso no ye no ebedi nsa wo so ye das papa na pay.
Me das na ya wa kwenye.
Yo. Fiifi Boafo ene ne de on kasama Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh ne campaign ya wo de ahyeche so enkomo ebeto odwa on social media say wa resign no. Nkomo ene ne twetwe no.
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.